Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a Mecca Beauty Loop box unboxing with this little guy here. And also it was my birthday in January, so I've got my birthday present to show you as well from Mecca. So if you'd like to see what I got and what I think about it, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to start off with the Beauty Loop box, which if you're not familiar, if you're not from Australia, Mecca is a makeup store in Australia, sort of like Sephora, really, really great. Stocks a lot of awesome brands, and it's where I get a lot of my makeup from. They have a really, really good rewards program where 4 times a year they give you a box full of sort of deluxe size sampley goodies, and depending on what level you're in, it will depend on what box you get. So I'm in level 2 at the moment, and so I've got the level 2 box. So it's just a little box like this. If you've seen my other Beauty Loop unboxing, then you know. Open it up, gives you a little card that tells you what to expect, and then it's got tissue paper and your goodies in there. I absolutely love the Mecca Beauty Loop boxes. I think that you often get really good products in there. It's nice to be able to try travel-sized or sample-sized portions of things. And I just really like it when brands that you spend quite a lot of money on reward you in a good way. So this quarter's edit is Your Beauty Loop Edit Glowy Skin with a Bright Lip. And as you may have guessed, I am wearing that bright lip right now. First up we have the Alpha Beta Universal Daily Peels by Dr. Dennis Gross. And if you watched my other Beauty Loop video, I had these in one of those boxes too. So pardon me if I'm being repetitive, but these are really, really good. If you have dry patches on your skin and you kind of need like an emergency fix, you can do these and it'll really help to fix the texture of your skin so that you can just get straight on to put makeup on and have a better skin day. But also obviously if you use them regularly, they keep your skin in really good condition, and they are expensive like I've mentioned before, but I honestly do think that this is a product that is worthwhile and that you can use sort of sparingly. So you can cut these in half and you can get 2 uses out of 1, and I think that if you used 1 of these a week, every week, it's probably not going to be too expensive for the amount of benefit that you get from using them. So I really like these. And in this beauty box, which I was quite surprised by, you get 3. Woo, how awesome is that? Good that you can try these out before you buy them, because like I said, they are expensive, but 100% feel like these are worth it. The next item is the Hangover 3-in-1 Primer, silicone-free, alcohol-free, and oil-free, Prime, Set, and Refresh, Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. Oh, from Too Faced. I thought it was a primer, not a spray. What? It's going to be so tiny. Oh my god. What the hell am I meant to do with that? It's mini, it's so small. Okay, cool. Well, I haven't heard much about this, so let me see what Mecca's got to say about it. Our secret weapon for faking that fresh from a health retreat glow. Shake well, hold bottle 6 to 8 inches away from the face and mist directly on the skin. Well, that wasn't a huge amount of information, was it? Too Faced say 100% said makeup went on smoother, 100% said skin looked more hydrated, 100% said makeup didn't transfer, 100% said makeup looked flawless. Consumer studies results. I don't know, I feel like 100% of every single person said all of those things. That seems highly unlikely, but whatever. Yeah, so this is a priming spray, which I'm definitely going to give a go. Next up is the Kate Somerville Wrinkle Warrior Eye Cream. It's just a sachet. These are kind of my least favorite way to get samples of stuff, because I feel like once you've opened a sachet, it's just messy and hard to use it. And even if there is enough for like multiple uses in there, it just doesn't keep the product so well for you to be able to use it. I much prefer like a tube as a sample. But I've received quite a few samples in the Mecca boxes of the Kate Somerville stuff, and I know that it's pricey if you have to buy it, so I do like to be able to try it like this, and I'm interested to see how that one works. It's meant to be Visible Dark Circle Eraser. Use AM and PM, gently pat small amount around the eye area. So just a eye cream there. And then last up we have Urban Decay's Vice Liquid Lipsticks, and this one is in the shade Big Bang. Kind of reminds me of like an 80s pop disco. It is such a vibrant shade. It's really, really glittery, really metallic-y, and just super, super electric pink. So Probably not the most wearable shade. I don't know how many people who received these would intend on wearing this regularly. I'm not sure that I would wear it regularly, but it is a fun shade and I do really like the way that it looks for something like this. Anyway, the formula is quite, like, it feels dry on the lips, like really dry on the lips, like almost powdery, but it doesn't feel drying, which is nice, and it set really quickly. It applied pretty well. I did have to do 2 coats with this one to get the full opacity, which I think if you're going to go for a color like this, you kind of might as well build it up as much as possible. Urban Decay say, get ready for your newest vice. This waterproof, long-lasting formula lays down intensely pigmented, comfortable color with insane wear in everything from comfort matte to metallized finishes. So obviously they have different finishes in this lipstick, and this would be a metallized one, I imagine. Line the lips, then apply 1 coat to fill. Do not press lips together if desired opacity is achieved. Let dry. For more coverage, apply a 2nd coat, which is what I did. Let dry completely and you're good to go. I'm going to keep wearing this for a while, so I'll be able to see how it wears, and I will mention that in the description box. But yeah, it feels nice on the lips, and I do feel like it is giving a really good color payoff at the moment. Wow. So that's everything in the Mecca box. As per usual, I'm really happy with it. I just think it's such a cool thing. I just love trying new products. If I ever get to the point where brands send me PR, I'm just going to be like a kid in a candy store. I love, 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 love trying new stuff. You know, brands could totally send out this sort of sized samples of makeup. Like, it'd be great, especially if they did that. Imagine if they did that for the smaller influencers. Like, I know that there's heaps of little channels out there like me that can't necessarily afford to buy every single new product, but would love to be able to review it. And it would be so cool. And also, on top of that, it would be a lot less wasteful. Like, I don't know if it bothers you guys, but sometimes it bothers me when I see just how many PR products big influencers get, that they maybe open and use a little bit. And I know that they donate some of them and whatever, but there must just still be so much waste. I mean, if you just got a small sample of it, how much better would that be? Like, you can try it. If you like it, you can buy it. If you love it, you can maybe mention it in your videos several times so that they send you a full size of it. But you just don't end up with mountains of product that you're never going to use, that is just going to end up being wasted. Cost the company less, and maybe they can send it out to more people. Just a thought. So now I'll just quickly show you what I got in my birthday gift this year, which is another thing that I just think is so cool that Mecca does. It's not some ho-hum kind of gift. They give you full-sized products, which is awesome. I think that they really do reward their customers, which makes me really happy to shop with them and really happy to support them. So I really like what Mecca does for their customers. I got the Clean Slate Mecca Cosmetica Micellar Water with cornflower and damask rose extracts. Clean Slate Micellar offers double duty beauty by acting both as a cleanser and a makeup remover. That's cool. No water required. A gentle moisturizing formula removes all traces of makeup on the eyes, face and lips and leaves skin feeling fresh, hydrated and clean. Skin-loving ingredients, damask rose flower extract and cornflower extract soothe, decongest and calm for a replenished and rejuvenated complexion. Free from alcohol, gluten, mineral oil, talc, parabens, sulfates and vegan, made in Australia. So I think that's really cool. I'm actually in need of a new makeup remover, so I'm happy to try this. And like I said, you get a full-size product. It's 150 mils. I could go into Mecca and buy this tomorrow. So that's great. The other thing that I got in here, which is really cool, is a couple of their sheet masks to try. I got a full face sheet mask, and I got the Hydro Eye gel masks. And in the store before, some of the girls have tried to sell me these, and I think she said they were like $15 individually each or something, and I was just like, no thanks. Not right now. I'm going to stick to my $4 ones from Priceline. You know what I'm saying? So I'm actually really psyched that I can try these for free. I think that right there is a decent amount of free product, and yeah, I'm really happy with that and excited to try those things. So I will keep you guys updated. I sincerely hope that I haven't rambled too much in this video. I'm trying to ramble less, but all right. So that concludes what I got from Mecca recently in my little free beauty bounty. Any other Australians out there who got different levels to me or different products in their boxes? I'm so interested in what comes in the other levels, and also I know that sometimes there's different products even within the levels. So if you got your beauty loop, what did you get? Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.